Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, we are going to go ahead and be talking about changing your username on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So what you can do now is go ahead and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner you'll have the sign in button that's going to enable you to log into your account, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where we can see all of the sections we can access, we can see our browsing history and so on. So let's go ahead and see what we can do to manage our username. Basically guys, if you click on your profile icon right here in the upper right corner, you can see that we can go ahead and open up our profile. So by opening up our profile section that's going to appear, it's going to enable us to see our videos and our gigs right here that we have made on Fiverr. So what we can do now guys, as you can see, we can change our display name, but our username is right here. So basically guys, you have the option to change your display name, but your username cannot be changed because Fiverr does not give you the option. So if you really need to change this username right here that's going to appear in your URL, you need to go ahead and make a new account because it is not possible. The only name you can change is your display name right here, how people are going to be able to see you on Fiverr. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.